Son. Today I have begotten you, the glory of his Father, in himself life, original, unborrowed, underived. Who has ascended, who has descended down, anointed above his fellows, the Lamb slain from the foundation of the world, the sovereign of the universe. He was not alone, his work of beneficence. Who has ascended, who has descended down? The express image of his person, firstborn of every creature, whose going forth have been from of old. The Holy One, the brightness of his glory, well pleased with the one before me. The Lord possessed in the beginning of his way, the beloved Son. They hold the world, gather the wind in their fists. Who has bound the waters, established all the ends, his name and his Son? Who can tell by whom also he made the worlds, shares the Father's throne? Oh yeah! Who has ascended, who has descended down? Image of his person, firstborn of every creature, whose goings forth have been from of old. The Holy One, the brightness of his glory, well pleased with the one before me. The Lord possessed in the beginning of his word,